So today we're going to start with some basil. I just picked this morning from our garden. We have a lot of basil, tomatoes, great stuff here. Basically what we're going to do is we're going to pick the leaves off. You want to avoid the stems because the stems are a little bit bitter. So we're going to pick off 6 or 7 nice leaves. Now with basil, because it's a soft herb, it will bruise very easily. And if you chop it too much or chop it too rough, you will bruise it and therefore causing it to turn black. So what I've done is stacked up all the leaves nice. We take our knife. Now, this cut is going to be a chiffonade cut. We'll lightly, very delicately fold it in half, and taking the knife, putting the blade to the cutting board, pull the knife towards us. You don't want to chop. With doing a nice cut like this, you're basically just going to allow the blade to slide through the herb. This way, you're rupturing fewer cells of the basil and it'll stay nice and green. And just slightly moving your fingers back, using your fingers as a guide, you can do this really nice and slow. And there we have it, a beautiful chiffonade of basil. It's still nice and crisp. We've never cut it or chopped it, and this will stay green for hours. Really nice, great flavor, and looks beautiful. Great for heirloom tomato salad, or great for putting in different kinds of sauces, the tomato sauce, something like that. So we're going to save that, and then we're going to move on to mint. Mint is very similar in that it's a soft herb just like basil, and so it will bruise just like basil. So again, you have to be very delicate with it. Again, removing the leaves, avoiding the stems. We'll get ourselves 3 or 4 nice leaves. And again, now with mint particularly, I find that the center rib tends to be a little bit tough. So what I'll do is I'll fold the leaf in half and remove these ribs. Do a couple at a time. Those just tend to be a little bit fibrous. You could do the same with basil if the leaves are very large, and it just tends to be a little bit of a chewy type texture. But again, holding it there, drawing the knife through it, and there we are. Okay, so now again, we'll get the leaves, stack up nicely just like this. And again, delicately holding those leaves. Again, just drawing the knife through the herb, moving your fingers back very slightly every time. By the way, today we're listening to Big Head Todd and the Monsters. This takes me back to my college days in Boulder, Colorado. Very fantastic group that I still listen to, even almost 15 years later. So here we go. Beautiful chiffonade of mint, nice and light. As you can see, it's still very green and will remain green for a very long time because we haven't bruised it, we haven't chopped it up. There we have it. There's mint and basil.